Use 5 miles is 80 kilometres to write 60 miles per hour in kilometres per hour. So let's just write this as a ratio. We've got 5 miles is 8 kilometres. Now 60 miles per hour, that's 60 miles for every 1 hour. So I want to figure out how many 60 miles is in kilometres. So 60 miles here. So that means, how do I get from 5 to 60? Well, I'm timesing by 12. 60 divided by 5 is 12. So that means I need to times by 12 on this side. So 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 2 is 16. Add them together. 96 kilometres. So that means it's 96 kilometres for every 1 hour. So it's 96 kilometres per hour. What is 90 kilometres per hour? In miles per hour, use 5 miles is 8 kilometres. Let's set it out as a ratio. So 5 miles is 8 kilometres. I want to know 90 kilometres per hour. So 90 kilometres per 1 hour. So I need to turn miles into 90 kilometres. So I need to think, how do I get from 8 to 90? So 8 times by what is 90? So do it backwards. 90 divided by 8, and I get 11.25. So that means I'm timesing by 11.25 on this side, which means I need to do the same on this side. So 5 times 11.25 is 56.25 miles. So that's going to be 56.25 miles for every 1 hour. So that's 56.25 miles per hour. Now I've left a space on the right hand side just to show you a different way of doing it. Again, start off 5 miles is 8 kilometres. I want to know what 90 kilometres is. So you need to think, well, how do I get from 8 to 5? So 8 times what is 5? So do it backwards. 5 divided by 8 is 0.625. So we're timesing by 0.625 here, which means I need to times by 0.625 here. And I get the same answer, 56.25 miles. So ratio, as well as doing left and right, so whatever you do to the left hand side you have to do the right hand side, it works the other way. It works whatever you do to the top you have to do to the bottom as well. Okay, so if you can't do it one way, you might want to try it another way. If you can't do it one way, maybe because it's non-calculator, you might want to try it the other way. It might work because there might be easier numbers.